Hello and welcome to Dettingen unter Tech in Germany, not so far from Stuttgart. This is a used Silver Dream motorhome, and this is where Silver Dream has its showroom, which is behind me, or now in front of me, and now behind me is the motorway from Stuttgart. So from Stuttgart to get here, well, depends on how many traffic jams there are, but it's 20 kilometers, so I'm not going to give you the time. 20-25, something like that. Right, let's get back onto the van. Now, by the time this video gets published, this van will be gone. This vehicle is from 2010. It's got about 80,000 kilometers on the clock approximately, and for this you're looking at around 60,000 euros. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I was wandering around thinking, would this suit me or not, and I came to the conclusion that perhaps there's just not enough space in it for me. But for somebody who wasn't living in the van as much as I am, then maybe it would be suitable. But anyway, so it's got my favorite rear layout back here, and so storage, of course, as you'd expect, in the compartments over the bed. We've got a skylight up there. We'll lift up the mattress, and you can see it's on these slats here, which in fact will move if you need to have them moved. Don't know why you'd want to have them moved, because the bed won't move up and down or anything like that. And okay, under the bed we've got some storage here, and down here we have this is where this I think will come out. It should come out. It does come out, and that has a little cubby hole box thing there. So you've got to step up to the bed, and the step will only gets in the way of this one here, which is your chest of drawers. And above the chest of drawers, as you'd expect, is a wardrobe. Nice big wardrobe. So I was thinking the wardrobe would fit me. The chest of drawers, it's a bit smaller than the one I've got at the moment. Mind you, I haven't got stuff around my bed at the back, so I have that. Anyway, and there's no one who actually lives with me. You don't really know what the situation is. This is your air. So you can turn it on here. You close this. You don't have to leave it open all the time. And you can see you've got the ventilation things all the way around, like that. So that's blown air, and here as well. And you can direct it. And up there, plenty of ventilation. Kitchen size is okay. Don't have a problem with the kitchen size. 3 burners, largest sink. I don't like these old drainage things. I want a domestic one, but that looks nice. And bit of space for preparation. We've got a fridge, 3-way fridge, which incidentally is new. And it's either new or it hasn't been used, or it has been used, it's in fantastic condition. I don't know. It's one of them, mind you. It does look new from the outside. I think they stopped producing this model, so maybe it's just in fantastic condition. And there you got a bit of storage as well. Now, I was thinking, well, I'll take all this food I take with me, sort of dried stuff and all the rest of it, you know, beans and lentils, and well, it might just, and all the vegetables I get, well, it might just about fit down there. And here, more storage above the seating. This thing here comes away, it doesn't have to be there if you don't want it there. I think that is just, you put your plates on here and then you put them at the table. The table, for me, it's just about big enough. I like a big table. Yeah, I think once I have the extension bit, I'll be okay. Right, here, these are steps up into the bed which is over here. But before I do that, let's take you around here. So show you Mercedes, Sprinter, and the bed comes down like this, and plenty of space in the bed. So what I was thinking was, what if I got rid of the bed at the back and used that for storage, and I slept up here? That did go through my mind. I mean, I do like the bed at the back. This one's only got the one window, which is up there, but it is quite high. I mean, it's not quite high, it's very high. So I don't need two separate beds. Anyway, I'll put this back up. And you've got a bit of storage here as well. So let's show you the storage. Storage down there. And finally, we've got this. And the mirror. Mind you, wir können alles außer Hochdeutsch. I don't know if I'd keep that there. The television will obviously go. In my... Oh, didn't show this. I think it's a nice shower. Except, well, I suppose I'd have to get one of these, you get these sort of filter thing, I don't know if that's the right word. You got a little net that goes into those drainage holes not to catch the bits that fall off and stop it getting blocked up, hopefully. So this I think is a nice sized washroom. In fact, I'll even come in to demonstrate this huge amount, lots of space around here. I don't really as a rule like these plastic things here, but even with that out, see there's plenty of space around here. So that really would suit me. So I think this is quite nice. Mind you, 60,000 euros, that's a fair whack of cash, but that's sort of thinking, if I got it on credit, 1,000 euros a month. I realise there'll be some interest on that, and the insurance payments will go up. But, compared to what I'm paying at present, but and a lovely big space up there as well. Wonderful skylight. It's got a double floor. Take you around the back, because having spoken about the amount of storage, the thing now to consider is how much space there's in here, and this is very impressive. Look at that. Even the spare wheel has been put to one side, neatly fits in there. Huge amount of space in here. Now I could even extend my, yes, 2 batteries in at present. So I mean, I could that could be extended upon. So that's 180 ampere hours in at the moment. Ooh. And you got a rear as well, you can open it there. So you can see that this bit's been used. But if I put my bike in there, and I got some boxes to keep, clothes and things, that might just work for me. I don't know what the carrying capacity is at the back. If it were 150, then it's on the border of doable, but if it were more, that would be very good. And here, this is the gas cabinet, which actually, because from the outside, it sort of protrudes into the storage in the sorry, not the gas cabinet, the boiler, sorry. It protrudes into the storage at the front. It's always embarrassing when you sort of say something like that wrong and then, oh, close it. Good. Oh, another thing, note how the awning is not, okay, maybe not quite flush, but the body of the van is gone over to a side to make space for the awning. I think though that awning up there does require a little bit of work. It seems to be a bit out, but I'm sure that can be fixed without any problems. So I'll have a walk around again and show you the body. Single shell. The single shell means that it can okay, it's made in one piece, and that means that it's less likely to allow water ingress. So the walls aren't glued together, they are like this in order to improve rigidity, stability. Obviously it can puncture the same as any wall can puncture, but it's and it's lighter in general, a single shell. So weight, don't know, but I would guess empty weight around 3,150 at a guess, I don't know. It might be less. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you think that'd be suitable for me, do write down when I think that's suitable for you, and if you think it isn't, then don't. And I think that's a very nice vehicle, and I would definitely consider it myself. Thanks for watching.